Today I'm going to show you how I built a fold out outfeed table for my mobile table saw station, just like this one. I'm going to make it for the back of the table saw station, so it'll be an outfeed for when I put timber across it. This one is for if I need to have wider bits. I haven't made one for that side yet either, but I'm going to in the future. I start out by measuring the width of the table saw station and cutting a length of 18mm ply to the desired size. I then line it up and make sure it fits properly. On my Mitre saw I cut a length of 3cm by 3cm pine to the desired width, and then offer it up to the table saw station using a piece of scrap 18mm ply to make sure that I'm aligning it at the correct height. I then mark the correct height that I need the bracket to sit at, ready for drilling and screwing. To make sure it's lined up correctly, I mark the centre point on the table saw station and also on the outfeed table mounting bracket. At each end of the mounting bracket, I mark the centre point and drill a hole using a 9mm drill bit. Inside I put an M8 insert nut that's going to be used as a hinge for the actual outfeed table. I then clamp the bracket to the saw station and screw using 60mm screws that have been piloted. I then use an offcut of 18mm ply to make sure that it's at the right height. I've cut two pieces of timber for the frame of the outfeed, and to round off the ends I use my jigsaw and then a file to make sure they're completely rounded. I then attach them to the underside of the outfeed table and use my square to measure the centre line. I then mark along the top for where I'm going to drill the screws and then pilot and drill the screws. Once each side is complete, I'll then offer up the outfeed top to make sure that it fits and is going to pivot effectively.